been issued by the SCP Foundation. Please stand by for further instructions. A civil danger warning has been issued by the SCP Foundation. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. Hello. We are the SCP Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to your safety, containing and studying anomalies. SCP-049 has escaped one of our sites and his last location was somewhere in your area. SCP-049, or in other words the Plague Doctor, is a 15th century plague doctor. SCP-049 is generally calm and doesn't attack at random. However, if you encounter him, he may get violent and try to cure you if he finds traces of pestilence within you. As of now, we are unsure as to what the so-called pestilence is or why is SCP-049 obsessed with it. Even if he doesn't find traces of pestilence within you, do not approach him. If SCP-049 comes to direct contact with your skin, you will die. There is also a chance that SCP-049 will turn its victims into reanimated humanoid creatures that listen to his commands. These are also known as SCP-049-2. If you encounter the Plague Doctor, do not approach him. If he starts to run after you claiming to cure you from the pestilence, do not trust him. Stay tuned. This is all for now. Secure. Contain. Protect.